express their happiness and joy. Entrusted by General Secretary Hu Jintao and the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China, the members of the delegation from the central government have come to Tibet, bringing with us the profound friendship with people from all around the country. We're here to join people of all ethnic groups in Tibet in the grand celebration to mark the 60th anniversary of the peaceful liberation of Tibet. To begin with, I wish to extend, on behalf of the CPC Central Committee, the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress, the State Council, the National Committee of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference, and the Central Military Commission, warm congratulations and cordial greetings to workers, farmers, and herdsmen, intellectuals, cadres, and people from all walks of life and of all ethnic groups in Tibet, and to officers and soldiers of the Chinese People's Liberation Army, garrison units of the Chinese People's Armed Police Force, and public security officers in Tibet. I wish to pay high regards to our comrades and friends who have made contributions to peaceful liberation and reform and development of Tibet. I also wish to express heartfelt thanks to our compatriots in Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan, and overseas Chinese and foreign friends who have cared about and supported Tibet's development.
向一切关心和支持西藏发展进步的港澳同胞、台湾同胞、海外侨胞和国际友人表示衷心的感谢。
可以分别谈也对天，透过谈加表的南京，本地香港吧谈澳门，本地台湾吧绝对人民。 给其早着民的接了，因为呢，土地其需求因。
1951年，中央人民政府与当时的西藏地方政府在北京签订了关于和平解放西藏办法的协议，宣告西藏和平解放。 这是西藏历史上具有划时代意义的转折点，也是中国人民解放事业和祖国统一事业的一件大事。
In 1951, the Central People's Government signed in Beijing with the former local government of Tibet the Agreement on Measures for the Peaceful Liberation of Tibet, which declared Tibet's peaceful liberation. This was a turning point of the epoch-making significance in the history of Tibet.
西藏和平解放。 不仅粉碎了外部势力妄想把西藏从中国分裂出去的图谋，捍卫了国家主权和领土完整，维护了祖国统一和民族团结，而且开辟了百万农奴翻身解放的道路，开启了西藏走向繁荣进步的 光明前程。
The peaceful liberation of Tibet crushed the attempt of external forces to separate Tibet from China. It upheld national sovereignty and territorial integrity and safeguarded national unification and ethnic unity. It opened the path for the 1 million serfs in Tibet to stand up and become masters of their own fates, and ushered in a bright prospect of prosperity and progress for Tibet.
60年来，